What up, dudes and dudettes? Here at Kaysville. Just made it here super hot right after work. We crazy fishing in this weather, but me, Bachelor up here with Grip-a-Lipp fishing. We're about to do another 3-hour challenge to try to hit up this ponds. See, this time it's just biggest bass wins. Whoever catches the biggest bass today is the winner. Guy's trying to redeem himself from last Holmes defeat. Even though I took it on overtime, it's all right. We still got the win. So let's hit the water and let's see who takes this W.
All right, guys, 2 rigs for today. We got the Nico rig, weedless. Kind of rigged it up myself. It's kind of jacked up, but we'll see if it works. If it not, we might we might have to do it some other way. But and then on the other one, of course, we got that top water, the S Pro spitter. Hopefully they hit the top water. We're gonna have to fish it extra slow today, but I think I'm gonna start off finesse. Hopefully they'll bite this worm, and see you at the water. All right, guys, made it to the first spot. There's a tree right here. I'm not sure if you can see. There's a whole bunch of bushes around me, so it's gonna be kind of hard to cast. I'm gonna have to try to pitch it in there, and we're gonna use up the finesse Nico rig. Hopefully they hit this. Like I said, there's nail weight in here, nose. Kind of Texas rigged it through the middle, and as you can see, skin hooked at the top. You can see the line just coming out of there. Hopefully, I wanted to put an O-ring right here as well, but I forgot my O-rings, and I think that would help when I'm setting the hook to help it so the hook doesn't slide out or whatever. So let's do this first cast. Hopefully get some. Oh, it was a weak cast, but whatever. It's in the shade. Trying to get under that tree. Bluegills are trying to get it, but that's not what we're trying to get today. We're trying to get some bass. There you go. Fishing this side of the bank because, as you guys could see, there's no shade or anything on the other side. This side we have shade, we got some cover. All right, guys, next spot. Ooh. Ooh. I think I just missed my first bass. Kind of bite. Tiny little bluegill. Got it again. Bluegill taking it. Freaking bluegill, that's sick. Oh, something picked it up real quick. Got him. Oh, no! It's a tiny little bass. No, you just got lucky. You just got lucky, man. It was a tiny bass, hey, but it was the biggest one right now. He came off. Oh man, that was awesome. He picked it up real quick. Tiny little fish, but that would have got me the W at this point.
A few moments later.
What up? No, wait, let's check it out. Lies. Lies, I gotta see it, or it don't count. No. That's look at that. First bass of the day. That's probably the one that came off. Look, his lip is all jacked up on the right side. Look at that. That was my fish, guys. Nah, mine was actually pretty smaller than that. Grip-a-Lipp, up by 1, son. All right, guys. Sun's down, and I think it's time to throw frog. But we're gonna throw this on the other pond. We're gonna switch it up. Let's try out the S-Pro spin frog. It's not a popper, so I guess it just spits water up. So let's check out the action on this. Shit. Shit. Oh my God. Dang. I did not see that coming. Freaking hurts. I seriously just got stung by a whole bunch of bees. Easily 5 or 6. Oh my God. Oh my God, I got stuck in the head like 4 times on my leg. I killed one, it was inside my shorts. Where'd it go? These little punks. Man. I don't even know where my frog's at. Oh man, I'm so scared to go get my freaking pole. Ain't that something? Well guys, be careful. Did you guys hear me scream like a little girl? Oh man, I don't know if you guys can see it, but I got stung right there. There was one in my shorts. Stung right there. Right there. Right there. Here's another sting. Hopefully I don't die. Whew. That freaking hurt. I booked it and my fishing pole's still back there. I definitely don't want to go get it. Wow, that's the first time that happens to me. Oh my God. Oh man. Keep going. Oh man. I'm too scared to go back. I already got stung. He got some long sleeve pants and everything. Should be around there. Oh man. Oh man. I must have killed them all. Careful out here, guys. Man, I'm so scared now. See the spitter? It's not so great. We get a lot of weeds up in here. Let's switch off frogs.
One eternity later.
Oh man, I need one of those. Look at that sexy. Sexy, sexy. What do you think?
2.5, 3.
Yeah?
2.5. How should we weigh it?
You weigh it, dude?
Almost 2.5.
Almost 2.5. Ah, snap. Release, boy. You gonna splash you, son? Ain't no fair. I was legit.
I got my heart pumping so bad.
Yeah. I just heard yeah. I was like, with a frog?
What?
With a frog?
Buzz frog, baby.
All right, let's see if I can get some over here. It's 9 o'clock. Time is up. I didn't catch nothing. Well, actually, I caught a little bass, but he got off right at the bank. The only thing I caught today was about 5 freaking bee stings. That freaking hurt. My forehead hurts. It's on the side. My leg hurts. My knee hurts. I was terrified. I'm terrified of this place.
You knew we were coming here. You should have brought the buzz frog.
I should have brought that. I actually have it, but I was just too lazy to tie it on. I was too excited to try it on new bait, but your boy Grip-a-Lipp fishing took it. Caught two bass. One was a dink. The noticeable one was that 2.5 pounder. You saw him running over to me, all excited like a little kid. But it was legit. That was a nice fish. So he took the win today. Looks like we're tied 1-on-1 on the challenges. We're gonna have to do a tiebreaker. Tiebreak. We don't know what. You have any suggestions for tiebreakers? And if you guys want to suggest the pond, also leave it down below, guys. So we're heading home. Look at this. Look at this. Somebody look at this.
Yeah.
Nah, I'm gonna get out of here, bro. I got stung by bees.
Yeah.